So peeps, I'm leaving home. Yeah, only three. The door won't close. I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So peeps, come Trey. So I'm headed out now. Now me and my son I go on the road. Run a few errands and stuff like that. So I finally got the video uploaded. He gave me hella problem, and if you guys notice, you see two of the same video, because YouTube contacted me this morning because I sent them an email because I couldn't understand why my video was taken down and there was no copyright content in it. So I did send them an email. They returned back a reply, and hence my video was uploaded. My video was up. So I think when I come back home, I'm going to delete the one that had the audio issue and the picture issue. So yeah. So sorry about that, guys, if you're seeing like two of the same kind of video. It's hella hot. Say hi, Trey. Hi. No, I'm not lifting up, I'm just saying. So it's hella hot. It's hella hot. It's hella hot. I don't know why I keep repeating myself, but I'm walking out. I'm gonna catch a taxi. So when I reach in Old Harbour, peeps, I will link you guys up. So I'm using my Trey, you don't want to hold my bag? You don't want to hold my purse? Why you don't want to hold my purse? I'll see you guys in a bit. So peeps, I'm in a taxi now. So I'll be showing you until I get into Old Harbour town. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. So peeps, this is Old Harbour fire station right there. I don't know why the camera is not focusing, and I don't know why. Yeah, so we're heading now into Old Harbour. So peeps, let me show you Old Harbour. Hi. Come off. Well, I come off up here, so because I go inside. So I link you guys that is Old Harbour police station right there. So I link you guys in a bit.
Right now we're gonna play more artists with two more people. Listen up.
Welcome to Maypen. So you guys, I know I had problem with the upload and everything, but I definitely this worked this time. So I'm not using my camera, I'm using my phone. So this worked. So welcome to So peeps, this is the clock. And I don't know the history of Maypen definitely because I'm not from Maypen. I am not from Maypen, so I don't know the history of Maypen definitely. So peeps, I'm walking, I'm heading to Bashko. You know me love Bashko. So I'm really sorry peeps. I'm really sorry about that, but I already went and paid my bill. Cause here in Maypen, apart from town, people think you only can go to town. On the town here I have headquarters, but even here in Maypen we have headquarters here. Gosh, I like I'm walking. So I had some bill that I had to sort out, and I had to come here at the headquarters in Maypen to sort out those bills. So yeah. So I finished doing that, and I'm gonna do a little vlogging. So yeah. Hi Trey. So I see you guys in a bit. So I'm walking to the bus for now. Come on. Well, the baby and good. So I'm walking to the Bashko. Peeps, the sun is hella hot, so if I'm sweaty and all of that, just understand. Will it be good? It's hot. Right now my neck itch me and all of that. And the next thing, yesterday water went. Thank God the water came before I came home. Today again the water went. So I'm hoping that the water reach before me reach home, because definitely when me reach home me need a good shower. Me can't bother fear wet rag, soap up rag, and then I fear I go use buckle pour for myself for bed. Right now when me leave me up and I reach home, me need a damn good shower. And as I said, when I was leaving, there was no water. So I'm hoping that Bashka closed. So I'm hoping that when I reach home, water reach. Peeps, Bashka closed. Look at this, Bashko is closed. I can't believe that, like. Ah ha ha ha! No, I your picture. So the Bashka is closed, peeps. I didn't know they closed. Oh God! Oh yeah, me know why. Today when Wednesday though. Shit. Today come. Today is Wednesday. I forgot. Bashka close early on Wednesday. Most business place close early on Wednesday. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm at a different location. So we are now leaving Maypen.
We are in Maypen Bridge.
Okay.
And if you can see the river not running water.
I got you.
We don't bring any water in the river. The river run like water.
So I'll link you guys when I'm back at home. And as I said, I'm not videoing with my camera, so I'm not sure how this video gonna turn out, but we'll see. Alright. So peeps, I'm back home. Hi boy. So I'm back home, and I was hoping that the water would have reached before me. You understand? I was hoping the water would have reached before me reach home, but that wasn't so. There's no water here. See, the pipe is up. No water. I didn't even get to wash dishes. So I'm hella thirsty also. I can't really drink the ice water. If I don't have a choice, I'm not gonna say I don't drink ice water. I'm not gonna say I don't drink ice water. I do if I don't have other choices. But ice water hurts my gum. If I eat anything too sweet also, it hurts my gum. So I don't really fool around ice water. But there's no water, so I'm just gonna be looking after a ramen noodle. For those who know what that is, I'm just gonna look after a ramen noodle and just have that for dinner. So this is where I'm gonna end this video, peeps. Love you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Come in, baby. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please share, comment below, and definitely subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. So I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.